In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange layers on Wix. If you've ever had elements overlap in the wrong order, like a button hiding behind an image or text stuck under a shape, layering is what controls which item appears in front or behind. In the Wix editor, every element you add sits on its own layer, and adjusting the order is quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it and share tips to keep everything clear and tidy as you go. First, make sure you're working on the canvas in the Wix editor and not clicking directly on any element. Move your cursor to an empty area of the section you're editing and right-click. Doing this on empty space matters because right-clicking on an element will open that element's specific menu instead of the layers menu. If you don't see the menu pop up, try panning to another clear spot or zooming out slightly so you can click Truly Empty Space. From the menu that appears, choose Section Layers. This opens a compact panel showing the stack of items in your current section. Things like images, text boxes, shapes, and buttons. Think of it as a quick snapshot of what's on this part of the page. It's handy if you're fixing the order within a single section and want to make small adjustments fast. Next, click See All Layers. This expands into the full Layers panel, giving you a complete view of the layering across the page context you're working in. Here, you'll see items listed from top to bottom, and that order represents how they appear visually. Items higher in the list sit in front of items lower in the list. If you spot grouped items or section containers, they help you understand structure. You see, it's a suspect structure, but you don't need to change them unless your goal is specifically about order. Now, simply drag and drop the layers to arrange them. Click and hold the element you want to move, then drag it up to bring it forward or drag it down to send it backward. As you move layers, watch your canvas update in real time. Aim to keep interactive elements, like buttons and links, in front so they remain clickable. If something seems hidden after rearranging, try nudging that item a bit in the list until it appears as expected. Also, keep in mind that certain items, such as backgrounds or elements that are part of fixed headers and footers, may have their own constraints and won't bust in front of everything. That's it. Right-click, empty space, open section layers, go to See All Layers, then drag and drop to perfect your stacking order. Clean layers mean a clean design, and your site will look and work exactly the way you intended.